So do you know that 90% failed to work out this maths problem? So come with me as we solve out this maths problem. So 9 to the power of a multiplied by 9 to the power of a is equals to 60. Meaning that we have, for example, a to the power of n, then multiplied by a to the power of n. This one can be worked out as a to the power of m plus n. So that means that now 9 to the power of a, then multiplied by 9 to the power of a, shall be worked out as 9 to the power of a plus a, which now is equals to 9 to the power of 2a. So that now to mean that now shall now have 9 to the power of 2a is equals to 60. We shall now introduce the log on both sides. The log of 9 to the power of 2a is equals to the log of 60. So assuming that we have, for example, the log of p to the power of m, this one can be worked out as m, the log of p. So now we shall now have 2a, the log of 9, is equals to the log of 60. So from here now we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 9. So divide by the log of 9, then divide by the log of 9. So log 9 and log 9 shall cancel, so that 2a is equals to the log of 60, then all over the log of 9. So now we can go ahead and simplify that. Now we shall now have 2a is equals to, so the log of 60 can be worked out as the log of 6 multiplied by 10, then into bracket all over the log of 9. Exponents, when you have the log of a multiplied by b, this one can be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So now we shall now have 2a to be equals to the log of 6 plus the log of 10, then all over the log of 9. Then next now shall have to do is now shall now say that 2a is equals to, so log 6 can be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 2, then plus the log of 10 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 2, then all over the log of 9. So when you now open it, so we shall now have 2a to be is equals to the log of 3, then plus the log of 2, then plus the log of 5 plus the log of 2, then all over the log of 9. Then we shall now say that 2a is equals to, so we shall have to divide both sides by the log of 9, log 3 over the log of 9, then plus the log of 2, then all over the log of 9. Then we shall also have plus log 5 all over the log of 9, then also plus log 2 all over the log of 9. So assuming that we have the log of a all over the log of b, so according to the law of exponents, this one can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So when you work it out now, we shall now have 2a to b is equals to, so now we shall have the log of 3 to the base of 9, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 9, then plus the log of 5 to the base of 9, then plus log of 2, then log 2 to the base of 9. So we shall now have to do is now divide both sides by 2. So here divide by 2, then all of this we shall also divide by 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel, so that now our value for a, so value for a is equals to the log of 3 to the base of 9, then plus log of 2 to the base of 9, then also plus the log of 5 to the base of 9, then also plus log of 2 to the base of 9, then all over 2. So next we shall say that, so when you simplify this answer further, we shall now have a to be is equals to, so this one now shall now have a half the log of 3 to the base of 9, then also plus 1 over 2 the log of 2 to the base of 9, then plus a half the log of 5 to the base of 9, then also plus a half then plus a half the log of 2 to the base of 9. So we can now summarize now, and having it as a is equals to, so now we shall have a half into bracket the log of 3 to the base of 9, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 9, then plus the log of 5 to the base of 9, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 9. So now these are now qualifies to be our most correct and the best answer. So if you loved how we worked out this maths problem up to this part, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So on confirmation, we shall take the shortest time possible. So let us now have the maths problem. So we had 9 to the power of a, then multiply by 9 to the power of a is equals to 60. So now, where there is 9 to the power of a, we shall have the all of this. So now we shall now have 9 to the power of a, that is 9. Then we shall now have the all of this, the log of 3 to the base of 9. Then the plus shall now change to multiplication. Then we shall also have 9 there to the log of 2, to the base of 9. Then multiply again 9, then the log of 5 to the base of 9. Then multiply again 9, the log of 2 to the base of 9. So this one now should give us 60. So here now we shall now have to multiply the whole of this, now the answer that we get here, multiply it by 2, then to the power of, so we shall have this, a half the whole of this. So now we shall now work it by now having 2, then 2 to the power of a half, then into bracket. So the log to the base of 9 shall cancel this 9. So now we shall have 3, then 3 multiplied by, then the log to the base of 9 cancel this 9, so 2, then multiply the log to the base of 9 cancel this 9, 5, then the log to the base of 9 multiplied by 9 times 2. Then this one should give us 60. So since it is a half, that is a half is the power of all this, so we shall now have to put something that is called the root of 3. So this now a half, we shall now have 2 now into bracket, so the root of 3, then multiply by the root of 2, then multiply by the root of 5, then also multiply by the root of 2 should give us 60. So this one now can say that, so here now, because 2 and 2 is common, so now we shall now have 2 multiplied by the root of 3, so the root of 3, then multiply by the root of 5, then is equals to 60. Then all of these should be by 2. Then now next, now we shall say that, so this one now shall now have 2 into bracket, so 2 multiplied by the root of 15. So here now we shall now have is equals to 60. So the root here now shall be 4 multiplied by 15, which is equals to 60 because it is by 2. So here 60 is equals to 60. So it means that our answer is correct when we confirm that particular maths problem. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.